Hello everyone, your Reshmi here from your rice person Sophie. You all are doing very good today. Thank you so much for your support as always. And today I have selected some smart, beautiful, really very exclusive collections only for you. So let me display very exclusive one. This one is a pure handloom handspun matka with silk sequin work, silvery dye, very exclusive one, beautiful looks, same material. Today I have draped same saree. This one is silvery dye, half portion is fully silvery dye with resham weaving stripes, silk sequin stripes. This portion is resham, pure handloom handspun matka, and this stripes line is resham with silk sequin work, and this one is pure handloom handspun matka base with shivori dye, very exclusive one. This portion is shivori dye and this portion is matka base, pure handloom handspun matka base with resham stripes with silk sequin work, very nice one. This one is running blouse piece plain, and this one is a shivori dye pleat section, and this one is upper portion and pallu part. This one is pallu end, beautiful pure resham with silk sequin stripes and silver zari weaving jamdani work. Very nice one, beautiful elegant looks, also very exclusive one, best for your outstanding party wear. And this one is upper portion stripes, resham stripes, silk sequin work. Pallu is pure resham silk with jamdani silver weaving jamdani work, silk sequin stripes, and this portion is pleat section, half portion. This one is shivori dye, pure handloom handspun matka with resham stripes. And I will suggest this silk material, silver zari weaving buta work contrast blouse piece with this saree. Very exclusive, beautiful, really elegant looks. This one also very bright one, beautiful elegant looks, fully unique one, pure handloom natural fabric lane by lane with batik print, fully hand batik print, very nice one, very elegant, beautiful, exclusive looks. This one is base is pure handloom natural fabric lane by lane, and this one is golden zari border, 1 inch border, very smart looks with beautiful contrast color, hand batik printed, red shade with batik print, and this one is full base part, beautiful hand batik print, very exclusive one, premium quality, pure handloom natural fabric lane by lane, 1 inch golden zari border, very elegant looks, premium quality golden zari border, and this one is full base part, beautiful fully hand batik print, and this one is running blouse piece, and this one is pallu part, pallu also contrast color, pallu also contrast color. This one is pallu part, fully hand batik print, golden zari stripes. This one is contrast color, maroon shade with batik printed pallu, golden zari stripes, very elegant, smart, trendy looks, very exclusive one. And I will suggest this silk material buta work contrast blouse piece with this saree. Very nice one, trendy, elegant looks. This one also same material, natural fabric lane by lane with beautiful hand batik print, very exclusive one, premium quality pure handloom one, and with beautiful hand batik print. Let me open. This one is full base part, beautiful printed one, fully hand batik print, and this one is border contrast color batik printed border. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is pallu part, pallu end also beautiful fully hand batik print, very nice one, soft, lightweight, comfortable, natural fabric lane by lane. And I will suggest this cotton fabric printed contrast blouse piece with this saree, very trendy, exclusive, elegant looks. And this one also very rich quality matka with resham stripes design, very elegant one, bright red shade, best for your wedding functions, bridal looks. This one is full base part, base is matka with resham stripes weaving design. This one is matka base, this one is resham with jamdani golden zari weaving jamdani design. Again matka base, again resham, very elegant, beautiful looks, stripes pattern, full body stripes pattern, beautiful soft golden zari border, and this one is pallu part, pallu resham with beautiful jamdani design, golden zari weaving jamdani design, very elegant one. This one is pallu end, and this one is full base part, bright red shade. This one is full upper portion stripes design, matka with resham, and resham portion is beautiful hand weaving jamdani buta, very nice one. And this one is resham pleat section, patli pallu. This one is resham with beautiful hand weaving jamdani design. This one is pleat section, very exclusive one, full split section, beautiful hand weaving golden zari jamdani design. This one is running blouse piece, this one is pleats, and this one is upper portion matka with resham stripes, and resham is beautiful hand weaving buta jamdani. And this patli pallu, and this one is pallu end, same rich design jamdani work, resham with jamdani, very exclusive one. And I will suggest this silk material, golden base, beautiful self heavy weaving Banarasi work, contrast blouse piece, very beautiful bright one, best for your wedding functions. Very beautiful one, beautiful color combinations also, pure handloom natural fabric, lane by lane with beautiful hand batik print, very nice one, very soft, lightweight, comfortable also. This one is full base part, very beautiful printed one. This one is full base part, navy blue shade with beautiful fully hand batik print, very exclusive one. This one is full base part, soft, lightweight, comfortable, pure handloom with beautiful hand batik print. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is pallu part, pallu also beautiful printed, fully hand batik print, very elegant, beautiful, exclusive looks. And I will suggest this cotton fabric kalamkari contrast blouse piece with this saree, very beautiful one, soft, lightweight, comfortable, pure handloom natural fabric, lane by lane. And this one also very exclusive one, pure resham with beautiful fully hand weaving jamdani design. Let me open, very exclusive one, beautiful color also, soft, lightweight, only 300 grams weight. And this one is full base part, pure handloom resham silk, pure resham silk with beautiful hand weaving bird jamdani design, very exclusive one, fine weaving design. And this one is full base part, pure handloom resham silk, very soft, lightweight, comfortable, very elegant, exclusive one. This one is running blouse piece, plain body shaded, and this one is pallu in beautiful, exclusive, fully hand weaving jamdani design, highlighting golden zari with white threaded weaving design jamdani, very exclusive, premium quality, pure handloom, pure resham silk with exclusive hand weaving jamdani design, very nice one, very soft, lightweight, only 300 gram weight. And I will suggest this silk material, weaving work, heavy weaving work, Banarasi work, contrast blouse piece, pink set, contrast blouse piece with this saree, very exclusive, premium quality, best for your outstanding party wear. This one also very bright one, best for your party looks, gorgeous party looks, premium quality, pure handloom, hand spun matka Banarasi, beautiful weaving border, pallu, and full body, full base part is silver zari weaving buta work. This one is border design, contrast color, fully weaving piping, and this one is full border design, fully silver zari weaving work, very fine weaving design, highlighting temple design, contrast color, highlighting temple work on border part. And this one is full base part, pure handloom, hand spun matka with beautiful fine weaving buta, flower with peacock weaving buta design, full base part. And this one is pallu part, contrast color, pink shaded, magenta pink shade with beautiful self weaving silver zari weaving pallu, very bright, beautiful, exclusive looks, royal blue shade, very attractive one. This one is full base part, pure handloom, hand spun matka Banarasi, And this one is running blouse piece, very beautiful one, contrast color with beautiful border, running blouse piece, very exclusive one, based for your outstanding party looks, gorgeous also. Very bright beautiful looks, pure handloom cotton fabric with beautiful printed one, very bright looks, soft, lightweight, comfortable. This one is full base part, beautiful bright yellow shade with nice printed one, and this one is border design, silver zari with beautiful printed Madhubani printed border, very exclusive one, soft, lightweight, comfortable, summer friendly also. This one is pallu part, pallu also very beautiful, fully Madhubani printed pallu, silver zari stripes with beautiful Madhubani printed pallu, very exclusive one. Base is bright yellow shade with beautiful Buddha printed, very exclusive one, soft, lightweight, comfortable, summer friendly. This one is full base part, beautiful looks, contrast color, red with silver zari border and full border portions, beautiful Madhubani printed, very exclusive one. And this one is beautiful printed running blouse piece, soft, lightweight, comfortable, summer friendly, very bright looks also, very nice one. And this one is very beautiful one, linen with beautiful weaving work. This one is full base part, base is a navy blue shade, pure handloom natural fabric, linen by linen, and full base part beautiful Buddha weaving Buddha design, floral weaving Buddha design. This one is full base part, and this one is border design, fully golden zari with contrast color, pink shaded threaded weaving design and bordered part, very exclusive one, soft, lightweight, comfortable, natural fabric, linen by linen. This one is pallu part, highlighting golden zari stripes with beautiful floral Buddha design pallu, and this one is beautiful fully heavy weaving border, and this one is full base part, full base is beautiful floral Buddha design, exclusive one, bright looks. And this one is running blouse piece, black shade plain, and I will suggest this silk material with Buddha work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your bright beautiful party looks. And today I have did a beautiful saree, very beautiful one, bright color also, premium quality, pure handloom hand spun matka with exclusive Sivori dye print. This one is pleat section, half portion, fully beautiful Sivori dye printed, and this one with resham stripes, with Sivori dye cell sequence stripes, and this one is upper portions, very beautiful one, pure handloom hand spun matka base with resham stripes with cell sequence resham stripes. This one is resham portion, very exclusive one, and this one is pallu end is very beautiful one, fully jamdani work, resham silk cell sequence stripes with beautiful silver zari weaving jamdani design, very exclusive one, soft, lightweight, comfortable, very comfortable one, feather like comfortable feel, very nice one, elegant, exclusive looks. Hope you will like our collection. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Keep browsing our website. Stay healthy. Have a good day. Take care. Thank you so much.